All right, everyone, this is 3.2 angles within a transversal. So today we're going to incorporate a little bit of algebra into our transversals. If you notice, we have two angles, one labeled as 100 degrees and the other labeled as x plus 10 degrees. Okay, so we need to solve for x, the value of x. So we need to look at these, and the first question we need to ask ourselves is, what type of angle pair is this? Okay. So, if you look, we have exterior angles that are on the same side. So these are same side exterior. And what we know from our notes from the past several days is that same side exterior angles are supplementary, which means they equal 180 degrees. So you need to solve using algebra. So let's solve. X plus 10 is our first angle down here, plus 100, which is our second angle, equals 180. From here we combine like terms. X plus 110 equals 180. We subtract 110 from both sides, and x equals 70. Okay, the last thing you need to do is to plug in 70 plus 10 equals 80 degrees. All right, here we're going to find the value of x again. So here we have 3x plus 9 and 132 degrees. This time they are same side interior angles, which again are supplementary. Look back to your notes from yesterday if you aren't sure, okay, or even Monday's notes. So these are going to equal 180. So 3x plus 9 plus 132 equals 180. Combine our like terms. 3x plus 141 equals 180. Subtract 141 on both sides, and 3x equals 39. Okay, now you have a 3 as your coefficient with your x. So you need to divide both sides by 3, and x equals 13. So x equals 13, but your angle is 3 times 13 plus 9, which is 39 plus 9, which is 48 degrees. So label 3x plus 9, 48 degrees. All right, what type of angle pair is this one? Here we have 6x minus 1 and 121. They're a linear pair, creating a straight line. So these are supplementary. 6x minus 1 plus 121 equals 180. Combine your like terms. 6x plus 120 equals 180. Minus 120 on both sides. 6x equals 60. Divide both sides by 6, and x equals 10. Plug in. 6 times 10 minus 1 is 60 minus 1, which is 59 degrees. Okay. Here we have 64 on the outside, 8x on another exterior, and these are on alternate sides of the transversal. So these are alternate exterior angles. And alternate exterior angles are congruent. So we're going to set these equal to each other. 8x equals 64. One-step equation, divide both sides by 8, and x equals 8. Here we have 8 times 8, which is 64 degrees. All right. Here you have 135 degrees and x plus 15. And again, they're interior angles on alternate sides of the transversal. These are alternate interior angles, which are congruent. So x plus 15 equals 135. You're going to minus 15 on both sides, and x equals 120. Here we get 120 plus 15, which is 135 degrees. Okay, the last three I'm going to set up for you, and you solve them on your own. You have alternate exterior angles here. Which again are congruent. So we're going to set up the equation as x equals 88. And guess what? That one is done. Okay, why don't you try these on your own? Identify the angle pairs. Okay, solve for x and tell me what the angle is.